If you're thinking about moving your video surveillance to the cloud, there's a few options available, but which one is the right one for you?
In today's video, we're going to compare Videoloft's cloud video management system to Verkada's and give you the information you need to make the right choice.
One of Verkada's key selling points is their analytics features. So they have things like person detection, vehicle detection, and do license plate recognition. They also have useful analytics tools for reporting, so you can see things like heat maps and person counts.
It's also worth noting that cloud video surveillance is just a small part of Verkada's offering. They also sell intercoms, alarms and access control. So if you're looking for a complete system, Verkada might be a good choice for you.
There's a few key reasons why our customers tell us they've chosen Videoloft over Verkada.
Firstly, affordability. Videoloft is a much more budget-friendly option than Verkada. Our aim is to give you the features you need at a price that doesn't cost the earth.
And then there's compatibility. Verkada is what's called a closed system, so you need Verkada cameras to work with Verkada software. But Videoloft is compatible with a wide variety of camera and recorder brands, so you don't need to rip out what you already have to replace with new cameras.
So Verkada certainly has its strengths, but if you're looking for a system that is simple to use and affordable and is compatible with your existing cameras and recorders, then Videoloft might be the best fit for you.